Okay, so hopefully you all had a good day on Tuesday, kind of getting started with this e-learning. So for Wednesday, what I'm going to have you work on is I would like you to go to the portfolio folder in your design area. And then I want you to click on the design portfolio originals. I would like you to then go file, make a copy, of the entire presentation. Make sure it saves into the portfolio section, but please title it with your name. So this way you can keep it separate. Um, okay, so once you've made yours, it gives you a kind of a description of why we're doing this. This is so that I can keep track and kind of give you check-ins. Most of you mentioned that you like kind of comment feedback. For those of you who may want more video feedback, I can also link videos to this to then give you that video feedback showing like how I see you working and like things you may want to play off of. If you go to slide 3, for this, what I would like you to do today is to actually make it your own. So again, you can go through and change the theme. You can change the formats. If you want to insert images, you can go and insert images as a background image. The biggest thing is make sure I can read your name in the title. So again, you can make this however you want to because this is your portfolio. If you want to download themes and then incorporate them in, feel free. Slides2go.com has some, and also Slide Carnival also has a bunch that you may want to look at. And again, all you have to do is download them and then link them in, and then it connects. If you have trouble doing that, let me know. I will gladly show you how to do it. After you do that, the next one's kind of shows you that kind of what we're working on to start with this poster project is going to do some research. Some of you I know have already put together slideshows and folders. What I want you to do is look through those 5. If you haven't, please go and check that little project out. Again, research what you think are good posters, save them, and then I'm going to have you kind of upload them. So again, there's 2 things I want you to kind of play off of. And the main one we're going to work with today is research slides. So research slides are going to kind of show you, again, here's what I've been looking at. Here's kind of why I like them. So there's a text description, and then it kind of gives me a chance to talk about what I saw in them. So when I did this, I found an Evil Dead poster, and I also went and found one from Posterati. The thing I like most about these is they all have good flow, so they'll kind of like lead into where they want you to kind of be aware of for information. And again, we're going to use these this week to then kind of design some of ours and look at kind of how the posters are designed. Because what we'll talk about on Thursday is the fact that most posters actually have a structure to them. And then if we think about the structure, we can actually kind of go about using information in fields and kind of format it to follow the way we want the viewer to follow. Okay. So then it also shows you an example of a process slide. So this will be what I'll have you upload so you can kind of show me what you're working on daily. This one happens to show one of the old VAT projects in which you kind of did a clipping mask inside of a project. But what I'd like you to do besides making the portfolio your own is to actually go back in and take 4 of those posters you found the best and then make 2 research slides showing those 4 ones you liked and why you like them. If you have questions, please email me. Hopefully you're having a good day, and I will check in with you on Thursday.